Welcome students. Myself Dhanashri Rao and I will teach you English subject. Here is your English Bal Bharti book. This book has 4 units. First 2 units we will take for first term and other 2 units means third and fourth units we take for second term. So today we will learn unit 1 and first poem Rain in the Night. Then I read this poem. Okay. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Now I have read a poem called Rain in the Night. This poem is by Amelia Josephine Burr. The poem tells us about rain which falls all night long. The poet describes what happens to the gutters in the street, the kitty, the flowers and all our surroundings when it rains. She also talks about the things she plans to do once it stops raining. Okay. Now we will look first stanza here. Here, raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. So, the poet says that here it has been raining throughout the night. Sometimes the rain has been loud and sometimes it's soft. How it is? It is just like a song. You all know when we listen the song, sometimes the music of song or the rhythm of song is sometimes soft and sometimes loud. So the poet compared this rain with the song and she said that it's just like a song. Okay. Now look here, second stanza. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Now, the poet says that the gutters will be like rivers. The gutters will be like rivers. And there will be lakes beside the roads. Okay. You all have seen this situation in the raining. When rain comes, that time we can also see this situation. The water is flowing and the water of rain is beside the roads like a lake. Yes or not? Means the poet says that the gutters will be like rivers and there will be lakes beside the roads. Lakes means this is the water of rain which we can see on the side of road. Okay. Now we will see the third stanza. Here the roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Now what is here? The drops of rainwater on the roses will shine like the diamond. Here the flowers of roses, and when the rainwater is coming on that flowers, on these flowers, that time it looks like a diamond. How it looks? It looks like diamond, and the poet says that roses will wear diamonds. What she say? She say that the roses are shine like a diamonds. So, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Okay. Here the roses will wear diamonds. How it's like kings and queens at court. Means by king the queens and courts. जैसे राजा और रानी का कोर्ट पे डायमंड्स होते हैं, वैसे ये डायमंड रोजेस पे लग रहे हैं. नाउ बट द पैंसीज ऑल गेट मडी बिकॉज दे आर सो short. Here, however, the pansies will get muddy because they are so short. These are short plants, so they became muddy. The poet wishes. Now here, fourth stanza. What is here? I will sail my boat tomorrow. Here the poet wish. He wants to sail his boat. Now I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. The poet wishes to sail her boat the next day in new and wonderful places. But before that, she wants to take her watering pot and wash the faces of the pansies. Now, what is here in this poem? Here we learn about rain. What we learn here? We learn about rain, and here the poet express the situation in rainy season. He express the situations of rainy season. Yes or not? Yes. So, here are new words which are comes in poem. Now here is gutter. Gutters mean canals at the edge of a street that carry off water. What's the meaning of gutter? The canals at the edge of street that carry off water. Means रोड के साइड में जो नाले होते हैं उसे गटर कहा जाता है. ओके. नाउ हियर द न्यू वर्ड अगेन, pansies. What is pansies? Pansies means flowers with purple, yellow or white velvety petals. The plants bearing such flowers. Now pansies means here the flowers which have yellow or white petals, velvety petals. Okay, and it's very short plant, so it's getting muddy. Now we again find out here new word. It's a court. C-O-U-R-T. Court. Court means a meeting place for a king or queen and other ministers. A place where a ruler takes decision with the help of minister and other officers. This is court. Then sail. S-A-I-L. Sail is new word here. Sail means float or move smoothly over water. Now boat also float and move smoothly over water. Yes or not? Means sail means float and move over the water. Now, look here. Today we have learned the first poem, Rain in the Night. You have to write new words in your notebook. And today's your homework is write given rhyming words from poem. First rhyming word is here, long, song. Second is street, feet. Then third is coat, short. And fourth one is places and faces. Okay. So, in this lecture, we have learned this poem. And in the next lecture, we will learn second lesson, Aesop's Fables. Okay. So, thank you. Bye.